Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in North Carolina. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is gather the required documents. So the current title properly signed by the seller, the odometer disclosure statement if the vehicle is less than 10 years of age, damage disclosure statement required for all transfers, a completed title application, so this is MVR one form, and a valid photo ID. Also ensure that the title is completely correct, so the seller must sign the title and print the buyer's name and address. Both parties should fill in the purchase price and date of sale. If there's any liens, it must be released before transfer. So from there, pay the required fees. So at the DMV, you'll need to pay the title transfer fee, highway use tax, and registration plate fees if you're registering at the same time. Then from there, simply submit everything to the DMV. So take all documents, fees, and your ID to a North Carolina DMV office or license plate agency. Then from there, you can get your new title and registration. So once processed, the DMV will issue the title, or the new title rather, in your name. If registering, you'll also receive plates and registration paperwork.